about to do a review on these markers. I did a video previously where I showed you like the places that I like to buy cheap art supplies, and I found these on that trip, and so I'm excited to try them. I did not notice at the store that they supposedly have flexible brush nibs. That's pretty exciting, but it's a 64 count. I paid $16.99, which if you do the calculations, like $1 per marker. These are the colors. This is primarily why I bought this. I have no pastels, and ooh, so pretty. This has supposedly pastels in it, so we're gonna just crack it open and see what's what. First thing I do when I get markers is swatching. So I don't know about you, back in the day, like I've always loved pencils and markers and stuff, and when I was like in middle school, I would always like get a pack of Jelly Rolls or something and like write with every single color. I didn't even know it was like an official thing that I was swashing or whatever, but yeah, I'm excited about it. So about to create my swash with these. First things first, these are like extremely lightweight. So I'll be honest, I'm a little nervous. Like it's not gonna have enough ink in them. I'm gonna use them twice and they're gonna go out. But let's just see. So I guess this is probably, yeah, it's a colorless blender. So okay, flexible brush nib. Flexible part is like, I don't know. I'm not an expert on the brush nib, so I don't know what to say about it yet. Okay, I'm just noticing this band is delineated where the brush nib is, so I will say it looks like a lot of ink is going into this paper. Like that's the first thing I'm noticing. Like, ooh, now this color I like. I don't feel like I have. This is like a taupey color. It's like a beige. I hope these last more than one picture. Yeah, but I like both of these so far because I don't feel like I have anything like that. Ooh, okay. They is really trying to have some skin tones in here. Look at that. Creative expert. You don't even know about them. Over here with these skin tones and whatnot. Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am. I don't feel like I have a pink quite like that. This is okay. Another nice peachy color. I like that. Ooh, okay. I'm guessing like a terracotta-ish. This is looking definitely terracotta. These, by the way, do not have any type of color name. This color, when I was looking at them, I was like, I don't feel like I need this color in my life. Like, I don't need neons, like highlighter colors. Why? Oh, it's not highlighter though. Oh, I'm sorry. I was hating on this marker so hard in the pack. And it's not even that bad. That's... Oh, I apologize, BOC. That's a nice color. Okay. I'll take it. I know they're not really, these are not in order. If you're a person like me that likes things to be in order, I apologize in advance because I know these are not in an order that makes sense. I'm noticing when these dry, they're a lot lighter than what they are when you first put them down. Nice. Yeah, their browns seem like they have some nice kind of like yellow undertones, which is something that I'm often looking for. I like golden, like especially when I'm doing skin. I like my skin tones to be like golden. Ooh, this is not much different than the one I just did. I don't have enough like yellows. Ooh, nice. Okay. Come through pastels. I was hoping their pastels would actually be pastel. Because I was a little worried that it was gonna be like super dark. Oh, I wasn't expecting this to be so deep. Okay. Nice. nice chocolatey color. I like that. Ooh, this is also nice. I'm liking these browns, like the colors, the peachy colors and the brown colors. So far, these are turning out pretty cute. I feel like it's a nice little variety. So, you know, if they stand the test when I color with them, then I will definitely be recommending these as a, you know, starter pack. I personally think when you are starting, like if you're trying to learn a new skill, right? Whether it's painting, drawing, illustration, crochet, sewing, whatever you're doing. Ooh, I'm liking this too. I think it's good to start off with like less expensive supplies. I know when I was trying to teach myself lettering, I was tempted to go out and buy like combos, but to me, when you're just learning, it's better to practice on something that's not super expensive. That way you find out if you're actually good at it. You find out if, you know, you even like what you're doing. So I personally am glad that I started off with like, you know, the cheaper brands of the brush markers, and that also helped me see really like the quality of them. If you start off with the really high end, you know, and then you are using the wrong type of paper, so you mess around and ruin your markers on bad paper and stuff, like it's just so much better to start off with cheaper supplies, kind of get your skills elevated, and then move up to a more expensive brand. That's like a nice minty color. I don't feel like I have anything like that. I like this color. It's like a limey. I don't feel like I have a lime green quite like that. So far. Oh my gosh, it's olive. Oh, I love that. I like that. Oh, this is cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, this color is so satisfying. Oh, these two. Oh, I love those. I'm not like a big fan of green unless it's like in the olive sagey family. These greens are definitely giving me what I wanted. Like a really pale mint. Really pale, but pretty. I'm not gonna knock it. I'm gonna try this one next. Ooh, please be aqua. Ooh, it's aqua. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It's making me so happy. This is one of my favorite colors. These are not disappointing me. The swatching, I hope the swatching is not gonna be like the best part of buying these markers, like bomb swatch and then you go to color with them for real and they be a whole mess. But so far, like, if nothing else, the swatching element is really making me happy. Oh yes, yes ma'am. Oh, I like that. Just noticing the smell on that one. I don't feel like I smelled it as much. It's like, it's not a bad smell. It's not super chemically. Kind of reminds you of a food, which is weird. What kind of food smells like that? Okay, and this I'm hoping is gonna be like a nice navy blue. Yes. Ooh, that is so satisfying. Oh, that's nice. It's not quite as deep as, like, I have this Prussian blue that I use for hair a lot. So it's kind of like a little bit step above that. I like that. Oh, yes. Okay, this is another one of my favorite colors. I'm also looking at my swatch sheets and noticing that I don't have a lot of reds. I don't. 20. This is making me hope it's raspberry-ish. Okay. Is it raspberry? I don't know. No, but it's nice. It's a nice color. Okay, there's the raspberry I was looking for. Okay then, I like that. I feel like I have this color already. Yeah, I have one like this, so it wasn't that exciting. It's pretty. I'm not mad at the color. I wanted this to be like nice and pastel, and it's just, please be pastel. Okay, so, okay, maybe this one's a little more pastel-y. Yes. Yeah, okay. This is more of the pastel. I really wanted this to be like this really pale pink that I have one of that I feel like I use a lot, and it's probably gonna run out soon, so that's what I was hoping for, but that's okay. I have 5 markers, 1, 2, 3. Oh, cut up then! I got just enough space. Yes, okay. Okay, this is, I'm hoping this is gonna be, okay. Nice, I don't really have a lavender, and I feel like that's a nice lavender. That wasn't what I was expecting. Okay, these purples, I'm smelling a stronger smell. Okay, oh, that's nice. Okay, I like that. That is very nice, right? That's giving plum vibes. I like that. And I don't feel like I have a true plum. So these purples are making me happy. Okay, so most of them are dry. These are probably still drying. These may still be drying. But overall, I feel like this is actually a really nice variety of colors. This black, I'm also noticing, this is probably, I don't know. It's not like, it's not as black as most of the blacks that I have. So I'm actually glad about that. In tone colors, these are nice. This is like a nice variety. This one, I don't really know why I need that kind of color. Like a neon type of color. It's nice. It's like, I like this part. I don't like this part. But just in general, I feel like this is actually, for one of the cheap sets that I've bought with like a lot of colors, this is probably the most varied. Like, it's got a decent amount of pastels, a decent amount of skin tones, grays, you know. So these are nice. I'm now going to sketch something so I can color with them and see if it does what I'm hoping it does with actually coloring. Okay, so this is the final product. This picture turned out super cute. I'll say that for the price that I paid and the amount of markers that I got, I can definitely say this was a good buy. Like, I'm satisfied with them. The skin is decently smooth. Like, the colors, I don't feel like look super streaky. I was hoping the pastels would actually be pastel, and they are. I mean, I can't complain. I have no complaints. I feel like these are good markers. So, if you are ever at like Ross or somewhere like that and you come across these creative experts, I say give them a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed.